Hi, I'm adventure artist Lisa B. It's springtime once again, and I'm ready for new beginnings. Join me as I clean the trail and go exploring for the chorus of early spring in the forest. It's officially springtime in the Northern Hemisphere, and after a long, cold winter, I'm delighting in warm afternoons on the trails and new blooms. As I get deeper into the forest, chirping fills my ears from every direction. I discover that early spring is the season of frog flings. Wood frogs actually freeze during the winter and thaw as the weather warms. In early spring, they gather in large seasonal puddles of water called vernal pools, as they orchestrate a loud frenzy of frog making. I'm tickled to witness this event, as I typically arrive just in time for tadpoles. The nursery of eggs already floating along the shore of this pool is impressive. And the sight of the tiny black frog embryos is a hopeful sign of new life and new beginnings. How sweet! This visit with the frogs is a remarkable springtime experience. What's your favorite sign of spring? Let me know in the comments below. Oh, bummer. My first Trashy Treasures defeat. This one proves to be too heavy for me to roll several miles back along the trail. I'll leave it on the shore for the mighty trail maintenance team to recover. Thanks for helping me welcome this season in this Ecopsyched springtime adventure. I hope you'll join me for next week's Upcycle episode. If you enjoyed this episode, please hit the thumbs up below and subscribe to the Ecopsyched YouTube channel and hit that notifications bell to never miss an adventure. I'm Lisa B.